Hey guys, I look crazy, so please ignore that, but welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany if you're new here, but if you're not new here, hey girl, welcome back. We are doing another vlog. My kids are here driving me nuts. Oh my god. I made the bed already, even though I laid back in it, but I have a lot to do. So I need to clean the house. I have the robot vacuum going right now, so that's amazing. If you don't have one, you need one, especially if you have pets. I also bought some new lamps for these nightstands because they've just been a mess. I haven't like really prioritized getting this bedroom together, so we're gonna do that today. I want to put the new nightstands here, and then I also bought a whole bunch of new bedding and pillows from Target because they had like a 20% off bedding and bath sale or whatever. So that's supposed to come in the mail today, so hopefully once that comes in we're able to redo this room. But in the meantime, I have a lot of other stuff to clean. I have some laundry that I need to hang up and put away. I have to also film the try-on portion of the Princess Polly haul that's going to be coming up. Hopefully it's already on my channel. If it is, I will leave a card up here and I will link it down below. But if not, subscribe so you guys don't miss out on that. And yeah, is there anything else I can say to procrastinate doing this? Probably not. Let's go. So look at this mess. I know what you're thinking. It's crazy, but I just got this comforter by the Threshold brand. Like I told you guys earlier, I have a actual duvet cover and some pillows coming in the mail also from Target, which they should be here today. So in a bit we will put the bed together. This is also my mattress cover that I washed, so I'm gonna go put this in the room. This is actually all stuff that I just filmed for a video. My sock, ew. All this stuff in the middle is actually stuff that I got from Princess Polly. So I filmed that video yesterday, but I still need to film the try-on portion. So these, unfortunately, are gonna have to stay here just for another, I don't know, another couple hours until I'm finished cleaning, and then I can film the try-on portion and we can get this out of here. I also bought a couple new towels from Casa Luna, that brand at Target. These towels are the best. They're just like thick waffle towels, but I just love them. I think they look really nice. I love the waffle effect. Excuse me. So I have this here because I need to wash it. This TMI is a little personal trimmer. I just needed this from Target. You guys know why. So I got one of these. This is where I put my work bag every day, so I'm just gonna leave it there. This is my everyday bag. Oh buddy, what's wrong? I also got some new litter, so we're gonna have to do that later. But this is some other stuff that I got from Target actually. So I've been feeling low on energy, and I think it's because I'm not getting the vitamins that I need. So I got some multivitamins. Along with that, I got some of this Your Super Green smoothie powder. I'm not that good with eating my greens, so I got this. Gosh, you guys, he is such a needy kitty. Like, if you've never had a cat and you think they're just mean little guys, look at him. He just wants to be loved. Last thing I got was just some contact lens solution because I was out, so got some of that.
I
on the room. Alexa, stop. I got this veggie pizza from Trader Joe's. Oh my god, look at my glasses. She looks so good, you guys. So we're gonna let this cool down. Let me give you an update on the room. So we're doing pretty good. I was vacuuming. I ended up moving the cat tree from that corner because I hate that it's the first thing that you see when you walk in. It just bothers me. So my plan is actually to put like the taller, skinnier olive tree, but I have that one because that's the only one I have right now. So I just want to see how it looks. But I love the lamps. I got these lamps at HomeGoods. If I didn't mention that already, I actually found them in the clearance section for $20 each, if you can believe it. They have like this linen shade, and then the base is like this rattan woven. I love the color. I love that it's like a light wood. I feel like it's perfect and neutral for the vibe. As far as this side, this is what we have right now. I took everything off and just have it here on the bed so I can see like what decor I have. But I put the cat tree over there in the corner. I feel like it's more hidden. You can only make a cat tree so aesthetic, you guys, and the ones that are like really, really aesthetic that I would love to get are like $800. So no ma'am, we're gonna have to go with this one. I actually really like it. Nice gray, like neutral cat tree. They love it. They love to nap up here. Oh, buddy, do you like it? This one is actually by Amazon. I think it's like an Amazon Basics. I'll link it down below. It was really cheap. I think it was only like 65 bucks, and I think it's pretty good quality. I really, really want a coffee, so maybe we'll make like an iced coffee or something. Then later we'll go to the gym so I can feel a little less guilty, or we'll do like an at-home workout because there's some at-home workouts that I've wanted to do here. So we got our package from Target with a little visitor on top, but this I think is the pillows. So let's unbox this right now. I think we're still waiting for the duvet cover, but that's fine. I think we can start with trying to fix up this bed, and then yeah, I'm kind of excited because I did a few more things to the room, but let's just put this together. These are the pillows I got, and mind you, I haven't felt them or anything. These are the All Positions gel pillow by Made by Design. I got the standard queen. It just had really good reviews on Target.com. Yeah, I guess we'll see how it is. I went to the work conference recently. The best pillows. We stayed at the Hard Rock, and the pillows there were amazing. So it kind of like motivated me to get better pillows for the room. Oh, this one feels so nice. It feels like dense and firm, which is what I like, but still soft at the same time. Like, I like when they sink but not get completely flat. Hopefully I'll get some footage during the day, but this is the final product. I'm so freaking excited to jump into this bed right now. You have no idea. Duvet cover set is from Target, so I'll link that down below. It feels really good. The duvet is also from Target, but yeah, it feels really fluffy, nice and thick. I love that like hotel style bedding. If you wanted to make it even more fluffy, you could get a double duvet, like double insert it, and it would be super fluffy, but that's what it looks like for now. This is what the lamps look like. I think they look so cute. I just added a tissue box and then this little pumpkin, and then that's where I charge my Apple Watch. Over here I kept it pretty simple, so I needed somewhere to put my jewelry and put it on, because I'm the type of person that if I don't see it and it's not right in front of me, I'm not gonna put it on. So I thought this was a good spot for it. I need to get some like leaves or stems or something to put in there, maybe some pampas even. Then this is my side over here. So I added this cute little pumpkin that I got from Target, from the dollar section, just because it's fall vibes. Then down here I have all of my books. I organized them in the way that the ones standing up are the ones that I've already read, and then the ones laying down are the ones that I have to read still. And I just added like a candle on top for some weight, honestly, because my cat likes to go back there, so I don't want him knocking over all my books, so I put the candle on there. And then over here I have the Google Home, and then I have, this is like a little jewelry tray that I got from HomeGoods. It's like this nice white marble tray, so I just have some jewelry in there. It's actually jewelry that I don't really wear, so I just put it in there for storage. And then this candle I got, I think I got this in person, like at a flea market, but they have these on Etsy if you just look up like body candle. This I got from World Market. It's just a candle, it smells really, really good. And then this book I got on Amazon. If I didn't tell you guys already, these lamps I got on clearance from Home Goods. So definitely check out clearance section because I got 2 of these for $40, so they were $20 each.
It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the day. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door.